that mudra looks like this. You're going to interlace your fingers like so, and you're going to press them against each other. So they're all coming up inside the palms. And then you'll connect your thumbs together. Yep, so your fingers are extended up. And then you're just resting this in your lap. It's quite comfortable. Sitting tall. And the mantra, we're going to be chanting this. We're going to chant it softly, but yet distinctly. Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad. Let's repeat that. Let me say it again for you. Ek Onkar Satgur Prasad. Satgur Prasad. Ek Onkar. Yeah, so we're doing a Chandra Mudra, Australia. Yeah, did you show her, Harsha? Thank you, dear. Okay, good. So it's just, you see how you go in one direction and then you just pivot and go back the other direction? Ek Onkar, Satgur Prasad, Ek Onkar. So you do this beautiful weave. Just do this beautiful weave with this sound current. We are the moon, we are the stars. When the moon moves, the oceans and rivers move, and we move. So this is one way that we feel this, doing this mudra, and really feeling the impact of the moon.